All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. I just picked up this magnetic 11-in-1 screwdriver. Don't know why I don't need it, but it was there at the store and I had my credit card on me, and here we are. I bought it. I've been buying a lot of tools that I don't need. I don't know, I think it's a problem now because I haven't bought tools in years, and then I just started buying the glow-in-the-dark tools that I didn't need, and then now I'm just buying everything I don't need. So there's more tools coming. I already got some other tools. If you follow my Instagram, you see all the tools that I buy. But anyways, I'm gonna head and open this and test it out and give you guys my real reaction here. Here's a little screw that I want to test out, a test there, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this and give you my real reaction on what this thing does, and is it worth the money over the regular 11-in-1. This was about 1997, and I think this one, I can't remember. I'm pretty sure these are probably around $15, $10 or $15, maybe $17, I would guess, $15. But you can check the link in my Amazon for that. And I don't think I've added this one. I don't think I've added this one to my Amazon yet. I'm not sure, but I will. So this one says Mag 11-in-1, and this one just says 11-in-1. So as you can see, you don't see anything different yet, but you do see the black mark right here, which means it's magnetic. I'm assuming I believe from the information that I have gathered, you can see it's a little bit longer, but I believe that this shaft, or whatever you want to call it, this, not the tube, but the barrel right here, that's going to be magnetic and nothing else will be. So it's a little bit harder to pull out. It does look a little bit different from the regular one. It is a little bit longer. As you can see, it does stick to the other one, so that's nice. I'm pretty sure the bits should be exactly the same. So these are a little bit harder to pull out, but that's nice. So as you can see, it's not even in all the way, and it's holding very well. So the barrel is doing work, as you can see here. It is holding it by itself. And it's a little bit lubricated right here because it's brand new. But the barrel right here, there is nothing inside here. So maybe this isn't going to work at all with this, and it actually doesn't. So that's really unfortunate, because the reason that I really bought this was because I was hoping that I could put a ground screw in a metal box and have it hold it, but it doesn't look like that's the case. So I'm really I'm kind of disappointed that this isn't really a magnetic barrel as well. It's mostly just in the screwdriver tip itself. So it's mainly just, I would assume that this magnetic 11-in-1 is just for holding the tips in and not for really in the magnetic barrel itself, which is really unfortunate, because as you can tell, I really want to ground a box with a magnetic screw holder, so when I go to screw this into the box, it won't fall off, especially if there's a mud ring on it, or if it's in a cut-in box and I have to go around some stuff in the box. So that's really unfortunately. So that's really disappointing. Mainly, I got this, like I said. Why does this not want to go back together? That's really weird. That's really weird. Doesn't want to go back together. This one has no problem in and out. But this one seems like really tough to get back in there. So can't even get this off. It's so tight, and my muscles are really jacked from last night at the gym. So it's so slippery with the oil that it comes with, and my grip is so weak right now, I can't even get this out of the barrel. And I don't really want to grab it with my channel locks and scratch it up or nick it. So I have no idea how I'm going to get this out of here. Maybe I'll try a little pair of gloves here real quick. There we go. Get some grip. So once again, it should be exactly the same with your nut drivers here. The same size nut drivers on this side, the same size nut drivers on the other side here. And then once again, you have your square drives, your number 2 Phillips and slotted, and then same thing on the other side. Your small Phillips, your small slotted, and then your Torx bits. So everything is exactly the same for bits. The shaft is a little bit longer, or the barrel is a little bit longer here, but it is magnetic. And as you can see, it does hold to that nicely, but unfortunately the barrel itself, the main barrel, is not magnetic, which is really disappointing, but it works a little bit sometimes for the screws, like I said, but not very often. So that's very disappointing. Other than that, it does what it says, magnetic, it works. But yeah, if you're looking for a magnetic barrel, that is not the case. So Klein might want to release a version 2 of this. That would be sweet. 100% mag in one, maybe. That's what you could call it. So yeah, the 11-in-1 mag is pretty sweet. Unfortunately, the main barrel is not magnetic, and that would be my only concern. And I'm not sure why it's a little bit longer here. As you can see, I'm holding these side by side, and it is another 1/2 inch or so longer than the other one. But other than that, I'm going to put it into use. I have never lost any tips on this one. I've been really careful because I have heard some people losing tips and then they become mad electricians. So anyways, yeah, that's all I got for you guys on the tool review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below and I can answer them for you. If you have any specific questions that I didn't go over. But yeah, everything looks about the same size, maybe a teeny bit bigger on the rubber here, not sure. But they look pretty much the same. So anyways, a little bit different design here on the yellow plastic right there. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys on this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like tool videos, make sure to follow along. I'll be making some more comparison videos on this channel, going over like regular, maybe different glow-in-the-dark tools compared to normal, or other tools. Like I just bought the magnetizer and demagnetizer, which I'm going to be excited to make a video over here soon when I get that, probably tomorrow. And then also got the Klein bottle opener, so I'll have to actually go buy some sparkling cider and test that baby out. I do have my concerns with that one as well, if it's going to be strong enough and not bend. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video, and I'd appreciate it and help the channel grow. A few days left on the giveaway. It depends on when I release this video. So the giveaway ends on Sunday, so make sure to enter into that if you want to win $50 on Cash App or PayPal. Just leave your cash tag or Instagram username on that video, and then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless, and have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.